Welcome to Math Defined. I'm Mrs. C, and today I'm going to show you both what integers are and what they are not. So let's get into it. Integers. What are they? Well, let's start by looking at the formal definition of integers. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. More simply said, they are all the positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. The number line here is a great way to see a sampling of both positive and negative integers. The number 0 separates the positive integers on the right and the negative integers on the left. And since the number 0 separates the positive integers from the negative ones, it is considered neither a negative or positive whole number. Looking back at the number line again, we can see several examples of integers. Let's start with the number 1. It is a positive whole number, which makes it also an integer. The same goes for negative 5. It is a negative whole number, which means that it is also an integer as well. And we can't forget about the number 0, which is neither a positive or negative whole number, but it is still considered part of the integer family of numbers. Looking back at the definition again, it says that integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. So let's go back to the first example of positive 1. The opposite of positive 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 is an integer because it is a negative whole number. The opposite of negative 5 is positive 5, which is another example of an integer. And we need to look at 0 again. Since the number 0 is neither negative or positive, it does not have an opposite. I hope that you're finding this video to be helpful so far. If so, then please do give it the thumbs up. Click the subscribe button along with that notification bell. Doing these two things really does make a big difference for the channel. Thank you so much. Now let's take a look at some numbers that are not examples or non-examples of integers. These include fractions like positive 1/2 and mixed numbers like negative 5 3/7. Also, decimal numbers like negative 0.25 and positive 11.384 are also not part of the integers family of numbers. Even though these fractions and decimals were examples of both positive and negative numbers, since they are not whole numbers, they are not integers. You know, all this talk of number families makes me ask this question. If 0 is a whole number and an integer, then does that mean that 0 is also a counting number? To answer this question, we first need to know what counting numbers are. Counting numbers are positive whole numbers, and since we have already established that 0 is neither a positive or negative whole number, it cannot be a counting number either. So the answer to this question is no, 0 is not a counting number. Looking for more of my math videos? Go to my YouTube channel at Math Defined. To my viewers, please know I appreciate you, and until next time, thank you so much for watching.